Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can recover your OnlyFans account. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply once you are on any browser you simply want to go to www.onlyfans.com. Finally, once you have done that, in order to recover your account, you'll have to enter your email on top and then click on this forgot password right here. And then it will ask you your email one more time. Go ahead and enter your email. And then once you have done that, click on send, and what it's basically going to send is a recent link onto your account so you can reset your password. As you can see, it says please check your email for a temporary password reset link and make sure you set a new one right after you click it. So go ahead into your Gmail account right over here on gmail.com, and then finally right over here, as you can see, it says restore access. Click on the link that they have sent, and then over here you want to go ahead and enter a new password and then confirm your password down here and click on save. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and you have successfully recovered your account. Thank you for watching.